guys a couple of little gifts that a couple of awesome ladies had given me 2 weeks ago. Was it 2 weeks ago? Anyway, I met up with a friend of mine. We've been forever trying to get together. You guys know her as Paper Sweets on YouTube, Sophia. Hey girl, we finally got to meet up. Usually it's a trio with me, Mimi, who is Mimi Jocelyn Designs on YouTube, and Sophia, Paper Sweets. But it's just so hard to get together with all three of us with our schedules. So I met up with just Sophia. And then, but before I shared the stuff that she gave me, last week Sophia had invited me to a meetup that she was co-hosting. And it's a Facebook group called SoCal Crafty Meetups. And they met near my area. So, anyway, I got an opportunity to meet with CraftyPoodleMom on YouTube. And I got a little goodie bag. So thank you, Siv. You guys know her as Siv. And she is CraftyPoodleMom on YouTube. I will put her link down below in my description box. But it was so nice to meet you, Siv. And she's just a sweetheart, you guys. Anyway, she made these cute little goodie bags. And I did watch her video, so make sure you check out her video. Because she did share some of the things that she created for the meetup. And anyway, she was sweet enough to give me one of the goodie bags. So I thought I'd go ahead and just open that. First of all, she created this cute little tag. I love it. And I believe she cut this, this is a file, a Cricut file or something like that. I don't really use my Cricut, so I mean, not as much. Anyway, isn't that cute? It's, you know, a coffee themed tag. So that was really cute. And the super cute bag that she got from Daiso, which I was looking for and didn't find. But I don't know. I was kind of with my husband when I went to Daiso. So maybe it was there and I just didn't see it. Anyway, look how cute. Some chocolates, which I'm totally going to eat. But look at this cute topper that she made. So, so cute. Love it. And I love this Doodlebug collection. And then, oh, okay. I wasn't sure what was in this goodie bag, but she gave us some foam heart, so that'll be cute to use. I'll add it to my embellishment box. Thank you, Siv. And then also some trim. So look at that, really cute. So I will go ahead and look at how cute her little bag is. So I thought that was very, very sweet. So thank you very much, Siv. And then, like I said, Sophia and I met up. We usually do this annual meetup for whenever we create, and since Valentine's Day just passed, we created some things for each other. So I'm going to share with you guys the stuff that I got from Paper Sweets Sophia. First of all, she gave me this cute wooden wall decor. Look how cute this is. It's so cute. I love it. So I will definitely put that in my room. Which is a crazy mess right now, so I'll probably be hanging this once I have my craft room cleaned up. But definitely I will be putting that up. So let me see, I don't even know where to begin because she always gives me such cute things. Okay, so first of all, she gave me this cute box. I'm not sure where she got this, if this is from Dollar Tree or what, but it's really cute. She gave me this, I think this is this from Michael's? I think it is. Some, look how cute, right? She repackaged it. Really cute, I love that. And I didn't pick this up from Michael, so thank you so much. right? This is from Michael's, right? It's like a sticker book. And then one of these cute picks, which I did not pick up from from Target this year. So that was really cute. And I just love when I get things, you know, that I didn't pick up. You guys know I shop a lot. So anyway, thank you so much for this cute little bag, box rather. And then look how cute. She did a video on this, you guys. So I'm sure you guys checked it out. So I'm leaving this. I'm actually going to open it and leave this on my desk because I can totally eat M&Ms when I'm crafting. As long as I don't get it on my hands. But look at this cute little tag that she made. She layered 2 tags and then stamped out the "I'll always love you." Cute, cute in the little jar. I've never even seen these jars. But really cute. I think she said she got it at Dollar Tree, and then she decorated the top with some die cuts and stickers. Really, really cute. And that's just one of the first goodies she gave me. And then, oh, did something come off? Oh gosh, my stickers got bent. Okay, and then she gave me this beautiful stickers, and I don't have this one either. Look at these fun stickers, and I think she said she got it from the Dollar Tree as well. So look at that, beautiful colors, and it's has the gold foiling. I love it, so thank you for that. And then she gave me some, oh, cookies. That's what it was in here. I'm trying to remember because my daughter took it. She made this cute little topper. She die cut a topper, which I absolutely love this topper. And then she had this here just clipped, and it was a bag of cookies, which my daughter took and ate. But look how pretty her rosette is. Really, really cute. And then she made a couple of projects, and I will make sure I leave her link in the description box, you guys. So she has this thing wrapped in tissue paper, and look how cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me take this away so I can show you properly. Look, you guys, she made a little heart flip book. Oh, it's not, yeah, it is a heart flip book, but she has other elements in there. Look how cute. She has this arrow. I think this was from Target, right? Last year, I think. And then look at her pretty trims. Love them. Love them. This is really pretty too. The front, she said she wanted it to look like a box of, you know, like a heart-shaped, like a candy box. Really cute. And then she has this die cut here, and she made her cute little ribbon with little bling in the middle there, and she stitched, you guys. So this was something that I wanted to do too for Valentine's. I wanted to bring out my sewing machine, and I even bought the gold thread. I even told her that I have the gold thread, but I just hadn't had a chance. So anyway, look how cute. It says, "Hey girl." She made a little envelope, and she has a little note here for me, and of course I already read it. So really cute. And then she die cut this "Hey girl," which is great because I don't have a die like this. So thank you very much for that. And then she made the pockets. And then look at her shaker. She loves doing the shaker instead of the acetate. She uses the tool, which I've yet to create because I still haven't busted out my oh no, that's together. I still haven't busted out my my sewing machine. It's like sitting there in my room. Really cute. And then she taped this little embellishment bag with a topper. Really cute. Super cute. And then she used one of these felt heart, scalloped hearts from, was this from Target? No, I think it was from Michael's, right? Anyway, she made this little shaker for me, and she said it comes off. So I don't want to take it off because she has this ribbon tied. But look how cute, the little champagne glass. Or is it a, yeah, not champagne. What do you call it? Like a margarita glass, right? I think it's a margarita glass. Really cute. I just love how, like, people, you know, do different things with their flip books. Like she said, you know, I inspired her because I had made some heart flip books, but, you know, of course she makes it her own, and I love it. She gave me this little flare button and this love, which she stitched, this little die cut tag. Really cute, and look, she put a wooden element, and then I love when she does this with her tags. And she did some faux stitching, some doodling. I love that. Look how pretty. And then she gave me some trim. That's cute. I haven't seen these trims. Huh. I haven't seen that one. And she taped it on there so they wouldn't fall off. And she gave me some more flares. Look how cute. And I did not get any of these flares, so thank you for that. I did not see those. And then she made some embellishments, the little bows. Super cute. I like how you did your embellishment and just kind of taped it on the, you know, on the actual page there. Really cute. And then she gave me this arrow. And then she has some cute die cuts in there. Oh, this is pretty. This is great for spring. I'm going to set this aside, like I'm going to keep it out now so that I don't forget to use it, because that's perfect for a spring project. And then she gave me some bling. Oh, look at that. Those are cute. See? I don't have anything like this. I've never seen this kind of trim, like a adhesive bling trim. Actually, they're pearl trims. Really cute. And then she did some more stitching on some of these die cuts, and I think these were here. And then the last page, she put a doily and layered some die cuts, and then it says "Made for you" with love, Sophia. Really, really pretty. I love it. Thank you, girl. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so and then she made me one more thing, and she does have a video on this, you guys, so check her channel out. She made her own little now what did she call this? It's like a flip slash mini pocket letter, I guess. I just call it her hybrid pocket mini flip. Anyway, look how cute. She put this bow, and then she used a hashtag Girl Squad paper from Michael's, and then she has a tutorial on this, guys. So here's her little pocket that she made to house this. Oh, I love it. Shaker. Okay, her shaker tag there on top of a memory deck. Look how pretty. I love it. And then she has this gatefold, and then she decorated each panel here, and then look at this, you guys. So cute. I love it. Love all the little sequins in there and gems. And I love this. I love that bow with hearts. really cute. And then she even decorated that, and she used her washi tape, which is amazing. I love it. And then she just closes it with a Velcro, and it's just so cute and small and fun. So I definitely have to do something like that, one of those projects. So that is from my girl Sophia. Thank you so much, girl. And again, check out these ladies on YouTube, and thank you very much for your lovely, lovely gifts, ladies. And I hope to see you guys soon. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.